after 2 long hours by bus from Sarajevo, I finally arrived in Mostar, city crossed by a river. Our drivers are horrible in this city. Even when you do a hand sign, they won't stop. Just hit you. Zdravo! Mostar is like city with a pretty big ethnic Croat community. It's a mix between Bosnians and Croat and a bit of Serbs.
Evo, lave.
Zdravo!
A ja, ugora je sve tako.
Another day, another bomb impacts on a building in Bosnia.
Chcesz tego szwepsa?
No, a jest?
Trzymaj go.
And here's the bridge I'm supposed to jump from. Doesn't look that high. It looks pretty high. So I've booked it and I'm going to jump from there. But I'm starting to get a little bit scared because I'm afraid of heights. But we will do it. We will do it. But before jumping, shave up. So we went to the tests with the guy who's been jumping from the age of 12. I jumped and they said it wasn't good enough, and I can understand. I'm pretty much afraid someone is going to jump from it. They're pretty tough guys. I thought I was a tough guy in the water because I swim in the sea, but river is different. It's a different thing. It's just too quick for it. Is he going to jump at some point or not? Because if not, I continue my vlog. Yeah, and he said that jumping 10 meters it's okay, but jumping from this height is like flying, extreme sports. Way too dangerous. He said it was too dangerous for me. And I understand. I prefer to listen than to try and kill myself. But it's good. It was a good thing. I'll do a jump from 10 meters to show you that I can do it. So my mom, you know, and all that. But I'm not going to jump the cunt. Yeah, I don't have the confidence like him. You know, it's just like dancing on the board of the bridge. I don't have this. I cannot dance from the board of the bridge. Yeah, you want to battle your fear by doing something like extreme. Sometimes just be easy on yourself. I have a huge fear of height. 10 is good. I jumped 10. It's already good. Whoa. Whoa. You seen? No, impossible for me.
Ja, du kannst hier schwimmen.
No, not at all. It's the normal way.
You know more where to go after this jump.
Oh yeah. I thought I was going to do this one. This one is already way too much for
This
me.
one from the...
Water cold?
Pretty cold, fresh. It's nice. If you want to swim, just be careful. The flow is pretty rapid here.
rapid.
Pretty strong, yeah. So after this rush dream of jumping from the Mostar Bridge, I've decided to treat myself for the ice cream and just swim and relax. It was a good day. It was a good jump, 10 meters, it's nice. Moral of the story, dream. Don't ever stop the dream even if it looks impossible, and it is impossible.